Well, we've officially made it to the halfway point of the Blaze Yoga Challenge. I just have to say how incredibly grateful I am to each and every one of you, especially those who take the time to comment and let me know how they are feeling after each practice. You really don't understand how much that means to me to know that this small little YouTube channel and this very profound practice of yoga has reached people on nearly every corner of the globe, which is really, really exciting. And I think it is so powerful as a teacher to know that through the practice of yoga that I am able to reach people on every corner of the globe, which is super duper exciting. So thank you so much if you have been practicing every day. If you've missed a day or two, I won't tell anyone. It's just between me and you. You can always catch up whenever you like, but I want to hear from you. Let me know, how have you been feeling with the practices? How does it feel revisiting the same practices in the second week? Did it feel different to how it felt in the first week? Have you been journaling after each practice? And have you been asking yourself those 3 questions, which, if you didn't know, were listed in the description of every video during the last 14 days? Was I moving freely? Was my breathing fluid? And was my mind calm or clouded? If you haven't been asking yourself those questions and giving yourself that opportunity to journal, maybe start in the latter half of the challenge. That's completely fine. If anything does come up for you during the practice, it's always good just to put pen to paper, just to let that flood out of the mind and to put it onto paper. And that doesn't mean we need to necessarily analyze it too much. It's just an opportunity for you to get something out of here down onto paper. Halfway done, halfway to go. Please let me know how you've been feeling in the comment section below. And if you could do me such a big favor, if you haven't already, and press that subscribe button. It takes just 0.0001 of a second for you to do, but again, it means so much for me. And please, if you have any questions, any queries, anything like that, let me know in the comments section below. And if you're with me, drop a fire emoji in the comments and let's blaze through the second half of this challenge.